Hi guys, it's Chantale from Lepage Cafe. I'm here to do an unboxing of your creative studio. Her name is Amanda. She is a fellow Canadian, and I decided to check out her subscription box. So I figured I would do an unboxing for you guys so you guys could see it out. I will also link her shop below. So I'm probably gonna... So this is how it came. I did not look through it yet. I know, right? This is difficult. Some cute little yellow. Oh, I ripped a bit. Oh, so cute. These are really sweet little stickers. It looks like Alice in Wonderland stickers, so that's super cool. There's this little tin with stamps, I believe. I'll check it out. We'll check it out together. Labels, tags. Ooh, some fun little washi stickers. Cute. It's a little notebook. We'll check that out too. I'll just take everything out. How about that? Ooh, there's lots of stuff in here. It looks like it's all kind of towards Alice in Wonderland, which is cool. Okay. So, we'll move that out of the way. I'll leave that over here so you know where to find her. So these sweet little pieces of, what are they? I think they're 4x4. I'm sorry. I mean 6x6. 4x4. Yeah, 6x6. And they're decent quality. They're quite thick. Then there's this one. It looks like it goes towards like the gears and stuff. And this one. They're all very good, thick quality. And then this guy. So they match quite well together. I really like this one. So pretty. And these. Anyways, we'll keep going because this is going to be long otherwise. Okay, so what should we start with? So there's these beautiful deco stickers. So here you go. You can see. So I don't open them all. You can see what they are. Hopefully I'm in frame. I think it's over here. Okay, so those are those. And then there's these adhesive, there's 20 sheets of it. Adhesive notes. I think there's these little stickers. Yeah, they're like clear stickers, but they're not washi stickers, I don't think. Well, yeah, there you go. See? I really like this grid. Lately I've been really digging the grid paper. So, and this plastic I'm going to keep for making some different things. Anyways, so those are stickers. There's a little sheet of those. Cute with some nice gold foil. So that's cool. And Amanda didn't ask me to do an unboxing. I just decided to do one just to kind of tell you guys about. We'll do the rest of the stickers. There's these super, it almost looks like these are hers because her name is up there. Like she makes stickers maybe? I'm sorry, I'm not 100% sure. But her name is up there. Her shop, oh my gosh. I was outside, can you tell? There was like straw on me. Anyways, there's these fun washi stickers. They are so cute. There is some little birds and kittens. These are so fun. So cute. Okay, so washi stickers. Which ones? Okay, let's check out this washi. This masking tape. It looks like... I always end up ripping these boxes. I don't know why. I just get too excited and then I don't. I'm kind of rough on the poor boxes. Just going to put this over here. These almost look like they could be, oh, still got straw everywhere. Oh, look at that. It's like watercolor. It's so pretty. Look at those. When does it start again? There's quite a bit there. Okay, so up to here. So different. Cool. Those would be cool for even like, you could put them on the edge. I'm gonna figure out for my bullet journal. I've got it everywhere now, don't I? This is why I don't do unboxing. I'm pretty new at doing this unboxing stuff, so it's super cool to see these subscription boxes, and yeah, I don't know how they go about getting supplies, but it's super cool. Oops, something just fell there. And these, I believe, are stickers as well. Lots of stickers in this one. Cool. They look a little thicker. Shall we just dump them all out? They are thicker, much thicker, I think. Or it's the backing, one or the other. Let's check one out. A little envelope. Key. These little, I like these. These are really super pretty. I really like these clocks. I swear maybe somebody's trying to tell me I should do something with clocks. Maybe Alice in Wonderland themed. I don't know. I've never done one like that. But there's been a lot of clocks and gears coming my way lately. I don't even know why. I've seen a lot of them, let's just say. So these are pretty cute. There's like 2 of each kinds, it looks like. So I'm just gonna try to show you all of these. Hopefully it focuses. Oh, these are cute. I think they're just regular stickers. But I will definitely link Amanda's shop below, and her Instagram page and all that fun stuff, because these are so cute. And it's fun. It's just a fun little box to get in the mail. Oh, I don't know where the other one is. Oh, beside each other. Okay, so these are the stickers in that box. Now let's check them out, what kind of stickers they are. If they're clear or if they're like white. I think they're just white. Yeah. They're like not too thick. They're decent. So that's cool. Okay. Next, which one should we look at? I think the other little washi tape. This is the design on it. It's super cute and thin. I like it. See? Masking tape. Black and white is what it's called. So it's a nice little thin washi with little, it's almost like little waves. Cute, eh? So I'm just gonna put that like that. Sorry, like, I don't know if that's a good idea or not, but so you kind of see what they look like. This is a note memo. This is the first time I've gotten her subscription box, but so far I really like it. Oh, these are so cute. The little bunnies with, like, this one has a mustache and this one has a little clock. Cute, a whole pad. Awesome. So I will be sharing some of those. Might do some, share some with my pen pals. And this one. Oh, cute. It's like a little pad. Special day. Cute. I will have to try this out as well. Now with this unboxing, would you guys like to see, I would like to hear your take on it. Would you like to see me like create something with them, or what I've got, or should I, you know, just show you like I'm doing right now, and then make a separate video with how I use these? These are little tags, animal book. They're little animals, it looks like. Okay. It wasn't. They're like different little tags. Cute. Oh, I love this one already. So they're all like, it's very stuffed too. they're very thick, so I gotta figure out how I can use these. Oh, little rabbit. Little chickadees. I love, love, love birds. Bring me peace. I feed them. These are cute. So I'm going to have to find different ways of using these little guys. So anyways, let me know what you think. If you want me to... Anyways, it's all kinds of cute little tags. They're quite thick as well. Oh, look at those ones underneath. Ooh, I like these ones. They're like on... Oh, they're half. These are like on... Oh, I really like these darker ones. Cardstock or something, I think. Like this brown stuff. Really like that. A lot, actually. I love the brown ones. There you go. Cool. Super cool. I like the different styles of them too. Like the tops. I really like the dark. Sorry if I'm not even showing you. I'm kind of in a weird angle. But anyways, they're super cute. All like nature, and I really like these ones. So I will figure out, oh, look at this sweet bunny. Oh my goodness. I will have to figure out how to use these. So there's quite a bit in there. Does it say how many? Well, I'm not sure what made in China, so I can't read the what it says. Okay, so now let's check out the last little tin. I really like the tin. It's super cool. And it's stamps, it looks like. Alice. Oh, Alice in Wonderland stamp? Is somebody trying to tell me something that I should be doing an Alice in Wonderland? Maybe junk journals? So, let's check them out. Oh, it's an actual... I was thinking, oh, I'm so silly. I was thinking they were like, you know, postage stamps style. It's a stamp, like an actual stamp with ink, you know, that style. Duh. So that's super cool. It's really bugging me. But Alice in Wonderland, cool. Okay, let me see if I can find some ink. Yeah, archival ink, why not? And, oh, look how cute they are. Let's smile, let's laugh. Let's see how well they stamp. Illustrated by John, oh sorry, I don't know if my head's in there. So there is like this guy, the king or something. One of the guys in Alice. Cute. Well, let's see how well they stamp. Okay, let's find a piece of paper here. Grab a piece of paper. Let's scrap. Okay. Not very well organized, am I? So, I'll just use the black ink because why not, right? Off the edge. Now I just noticed that it's not quite straight, so just be aware of that. Ooh, cute. There's Alice. Now, this one has Alice and the rabbit. Very cute. Oops, maybe I should have put a little bit more ink on that one. Oh, and then of course I go and get the edges. Anyways, so it kind of gives you an idea. Super cute. I like them. Cute. I love the cat. My boys will be using this one, I'm sure of it, in their own little journals because they love kitties. We have cats. So that's the only thing that it's too bad that it came crooked, but I'm sure that that these are ordered like in a package, you know what I mean? Like the tins and all that, and then put into a little box. So anyways, I am very pleased with all these goodies. So fun. Especially when you're having a day, these are fun to come home, go to the mail and get these cute little goodies. I love washi stickers, so I'm super excited about those. And there's quite a bit of them. This one, and this one. I can't wait to see how they look. Anyways, so for today, I will just do like a regular unboxing. And I'm sorry I haven't posted any videos in a long time. I've had issues with my internet, so hopefully I can post this one. So yeah, these are super cool. I really like the gold foil on these. It's super cute. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching, and I am happy to share these super cute little shops. I think it goes in that one. I'm not sure. Anyways, bye for now. Have a great day.